Hi folks, this is Joe Reichfeld from E-Commerce Optimizer. Today we're going to talk about Pinterest tips for business. You may not know this, but Pinterest is the #1 source of free traffic at the moment and will continue to be so into the future. Take advantage of the traffic that Pinterest offers your business by following these simple Pinterest tips for business. 1. Pin high quality content consistently. You may hear people say that you need to pin 30 times a day, but that's just not true. You need to be consistent with your pinning. If you only pin 5 times a day, fine, just pin 5 times every day. That might seem like a lot of content to come up with, but it's not. It's a simple process once you learn how to do it. 2. Add a pin it save button to your website so that you and your users can pin directly from your website to Pinterest. It gets things up quicker, and Pinterest knows who's posting stuff. 3. Focus on great visuals. You only get one chance at a great first impression. Pinterest is a very visual site. Make sure that you use graphics that motivate the viewer to click and want more information. 4. Do not neglect using text on your images to bring additional meaning to the image. Make sure that it's clear, crisp, and can be read. 5. Use rich pins. Rich pins add additional details to pins from your website, such as the price, the description, the part number, things like that. 6. Cross-promote your Pinterest profile and board to your other social media profiles. You want to get as many of your fans that already engage with you to also follow you on Pinterest and engage on Pinterest, because your followers initially engaging with your content is what Pinterest uses to determine how else to promote your product to non-followers. 7. Review your analytics at least once or twice a month to identify possible trends and to know where the low-performing pins are. Do not delete your low-performing pins. Instead, go back to the original source and repin the pin using a different title and description. 8. Use promoted pins. Promoted pins are the same as an ad. When you stop a promoted pin, it's like stopping an ad. However, anybody that has saved that pin to a board, that pin is going to last forever and forever be clickable. There's our Pinterest tips for business, folks. If you want to learn more about Pinterest for business and how to drive traffic to your website, we have a free workshop available on our website, ecommerceoptimizer.com, called Pinterest Traffic Domination. Again, it's free. You go at your own pace, and you'll come out knowing how to drive Pinterest traffic.